Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off or locking your iPad because you don't want touches or magnets triggering actions. Once done, place it on a flat, soft surface so nothing gets scratched. Next, identify the keyboard type. Smart Keyboard connects via the Smart Connector. Magic Keyboard uses a magnetic hinge. Third-party keyboards may use clips or screws. Now, detach any case flaps and locate release points. This sets you up to remove the keyboard cleanly and safely. You'll now perform the actual release. For a Smart Keyboard, fold the cover back and gently lift the magnetic edge. Don't yank. For a Magic Keyboard, open the hinge fully and peel the keyboard away from the magnets while supporting the iPad. For clipped or screwed third-party models, remove screws or depress latches and use a thin plastic pry tool to ease clips apart. Make sure to keep a hand supporting the iPad. This prevents sudden drops or twisting that can damage the connector. Finish by inspecting the connector and hinge areas. Clean contacts with a dry microfiber cloth so debris won't interfere later. Store the keyboard flat or on a soft surface and keep any screws or small parts in a labeled container. If the keyboard refuses to detach, stop immediately and check for hidden screws, adhesive strips, or additional latches. Forcing it risks damage. If stuck, consider professional help. A repair shop can remove stubborn mounts without harming the iPad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.